The VIP Experience Group is at it again. The 3rd edition Kompa In Vegas is set to take the Vegas Strip by storm this year, with live performances by T-Rice, Karami, Jakut #1, New Look, Class, Armonique, Sync 9. Also featuring Montreal-based band Connexion, with special appearances by Felicia Ross, Ollie D, and more. Hosted by Karel Pedre, comedians Kako and Sejo. Music by DJ Stacks, DJ Genuine, DJ Ricky Mick, DJ Ricky Groove, DJ Tony Mick, DJ Dynamic, and more. Don't forget to book your package early by logging on to KompaInVegas.com or calling 321-978-2525. Brought to you by the VIP Experience Group.
VIP Experience Group.